Hi guys, in today's class, I'll be talking about this platform called Arbihunt. Now, this is one of my favorite crypto arbitrage platform because they have the free version that I've made use of, all right? And I understand that a lot of people who view videos regarding crypto arbitrage are looking out for platforms that have, free crypto arbitrage signals that they can also make use of, all right? Now, I'll be talking about this platform because I've made use of it, and up to today, I still see that they are offering really good signals, and I will be doing a full review about the Arbihunt platform. Now, as you all know, Arbihunt is a platform that shares crypto arbitrage opportunities, and traders can make use of it to get started. And you can see on the pricing area, there's a free one, okay, and there's a paid one, but I make use of the free one because I love it. And one thing I would always tell people to consider doing is, if you love the free version, then definitely the paid version can be cool for you, but make sure that the free version is something that you have benefited from. All right, so there are several platforms, several exchanges you can use here, and let's get started. All right, now understand that crypto arbitrage is a very broad topic. It involves buying and selling of cryptos, so definitely you have to do your own research regarding the Arbihunt platform. I've done mine, but you need to do yours. Also, you need to only work with platforms that you are conversant with. So with that being said, this video do not guarantee any income, and it is not a financial advice. All right, so first things first, you can actually get this particular Arbihunt app on your app store. Also, you can get it on the Play Store. Now, let's just get straight into how it works. Okay, I'm going to just get straight into my dashboard, and definitely I'm just going to log in. I'll click on the dashboard. I'll be able to get inside here, and certainly you can also create your own account. Okay, you can log in with Google, you can log in with your normal email and password. All right, so this is my account, and you can see it is not subscribed. I will just show you how this platform works, how I made use of it, and some of the amazing features of this platform. All right, so you can see right now, I'm going to take a tour. There are live opportunities here, and there are about 38 of them here. Now, not all 38 of them would benefit you because some of them are paid signals. And why the ones I'm only concerned about are the free ones, because I've used them personally. All right. Now, I'm going to just go down to this area. On this place, you can see that they say spreads of 2% plus are pro. The spread route and all of them. What I just trying to let you know is that anything above 2% are going to be paid for, or is going to be paid for. Okay, so I'm going to go straight down here. On this place, you can see they have blocked all these places, which means I cannot see the cryptos intended to buy. Okay, but I can see the spread are quite okay. Now, also, I would love to mention that what you see here are not your entire profit. Okay, most people mistake it for profit. Okay, but they are not profit, they're called spread, because out of all of these figures, your transfer fees, transaction fees will still be deducted. So you have to do your calculation well before you understand what you are truly getting out from your business. All right, then here you can see is the route, which means exchanges people consider buying from, or exchanges traders consider buying from. Okay, and here are the exchanges traders consider selling at. All right, also you can see the liquidity network and all of that. So I'm just going to go straight down to the areas that are cool and that do not require a payment. Okay, yes, here are there. Okay, you can see this one is less than 2% because they are all considered free. Okay, so if this one works for you, definitely you can now go ahead to consider paying for the pro. Okay, now one thing I always mention, one thing I did using this platform was that I actually used um, platform that I was conversant with. Okay, so you can see the several cryptos displayed here. I explain what this means. I explain that this is spread. This is all the informations here. These are the network informations of the particular crypto that you want to do your business with, and you can study it carefully. Okay, also there are exchanges here that you are conversant with, and there are other exchanges here that you are not conversant with. Okay, so it is only very interesting that traders use exchanges that they know and they are popular ones. All right, for example, BingX is a popular exchange, XT is a popular one, KuCoin is popular, Mexi is popular, Poloniex, Bjet are all popular exchanges. Gate.io, KuCoin are all popular exchanges. So if you are considering a crypto arbitrage trade on platforms like this, you only want to use exchanges that you already know that they exist or they are popular ones. Don't go registering or depositing on platforms that you don't know anything about. These are the simple unspoken rules of arbitrage trading. Now, one of the reasons I'm reviewing this platform today is because it's one of those platforms that you're going to find some free signals, and you can actually consider studying those signals, and if they work for you, then you can decide to do the paid ones. All right, so I think this video is going to give you more value if you are into the crypto arbitrage business. Now, I've not said everything about this video. This video do not contain all it takes to do your arbitrage successfully, because I'm just reviewing the platform. All right, you can now go and do the research regarding the fees, the prices of the cryptos, how you can get them, and all of that. All right, but this video just contains few informations about how to use Arbihunt. I've been making use of it on mobile app, but then today I've tried to access them on my PC, and they work really, and it's just still cool. Okay, so you can let me know what you think about the Abbey Hunt, and of course how you've made use of it in the past. All right, I will be seeing you on the next one, guys, and also you can ask questions regarding everything. I don't want to go to the GoPro area. You can go check it out, see their subscription fees. I'm only concerned about using the signals that are available here, that are not paid for. Okay, so I've always mentioned, if you want to enjoy a particular arbitrage platform, make sure that you have actually checked out for their signals, especially the ones that you're not supposed to pay for. Okay, and if they're cool for you, you can now be convinced to consider going for the pro version or the paid version. Okay, so I hope you get me correctly. I'll be reviewing a lot of arbitrage platforms that offers products like these, signals like this, because I make use of them, and I think I make use of even superior ones. Okay, but what I'm talking about Arbihunt is that it's one of the oldest platforms I've used, and it is cool. You can see 55,000 traders, 25 exchanges. This is what is displayed on the website on this area. So enough of all the talk, guys. You can study the platform by yourself and let me know what you think about it. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.